Hi, this is Dr. Mike, Headlee of Explore Chiropractic, where we empower people to get healthy and stay healthy so they can live their best life possible. 3 effects of poor alignment. How I check people's alignment in my office is I take radiographs or x-rays, and I can easily detect if there's an alignment issue by drawing lines on them. And so if you see a chiropractor and they take x-rays, make sure you look at them again. Just ask to review your x-rays and make sure there's lines on them to see what the alignment looks like. The first effect of poor alignment is decreased function. You can check your function in your neck, for instance, by turning it one way and then the other to see how you're functioning. You can bend forward and to the side and see how your lower back is functioning, and also how are you functioning in everyday life. Are you able to golf and play tennis? Hello there. Thanks for joining. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. So how are you functioning in everyday life? How's your work? How are you sitting? Can you even drive an hour without hurting and you get out of the car and you can't stand up straight? How are you sleeping? How's your function in your life? Range of motion is a good way to test that by bending your head forward and backwards and to the side, and also with your lower back. The second effect of poor alignment is decreased energy efficiency. People are often tired when they're out of alignment. When you go to a big gathering of people, when you go to a church or you go to a mall or a sporting event, it's summertime, so look what people are wearing. Number one, they're wearing a lot of flip-flops and poor shoes. And also, you can see how the efficiency, and people just look exhausted when they're walking across the street. They look tired. Just like a car, when it's out of alignment, it's going to use more gas, it's going to have more friction on the tires, it's going to have more friction on the alignment and all the systems, so you're going to use more gas and be less efficient. The third effect of poor alignment is wear and tear or degeneration. And this is where a doctor can look at the x-rays and you can tell if there's degeneration of the disc and degeneration of the joints. And how I use that in my office is I have a tire, a lawnmower tire, which has good tread. And everybody knows when things are in alignment, they wear more evenly. Well, what's the effect of poor alignment and the degeneration look like in a lawnmower tire? Well, it's a bald tire, just like my head. I talked a little bit about my lawnmower incident last week, and I'm not going to bring that up again because that's kind of resolved and everything's a-okay. My first 13 years in chiropractic were in Whitehall, Wisconsin, and I had a staff person bring me in a full-size tire that was bald on one side with the threads showing. And above that I had a sign that said the effects of poor alignment, and I had it under my x-ray view boxes. So when I marked x-rays and I showed people the effects on the x-rays, then I would just point to the tire, and people got the analogy, because the 3 effects to review is, number 1, decreased function of our body, our range of motion, and the function in our life. How's our work? How's our sleep? How's our sports? How's our biking? How's our walking? How's our yoga class? How's the function of our body? Because when we're out of alignment, we definitely will not function ideally. You'll see people walking across the street, they'll be limping and gimping and can't get out of the car. Hi there. And also decrease energy efficiency. You're going to use more gas in the vehicles. We're going to use more gas as fuel. We're going to be more tired, less efficient. We're going to be dragging at the end of the day because we're out of alignment. So make sure you get your body aligned and adjusted appropriately so we can be more efficient with our energy production. And then the last is wear and tear, just like the car tire that wears out. The only reason it gets bald and there's threads showing on one side of your car tire or truck tire or lawnmower tire is because of the alignment issue. And 2 of my favorite sayings is, to age well, we have to move well, and we're as old as our spine. And if we take care of our spine so we have good function, we have good energy efficiency, and then we don't have any wear and tear or degeneration, our bodies are going to last us 90 to 100 years, and we're going to have a very more productive life. So I hope this helped. And I hope this motivated a few of you to get out there and check your alignment and get it realigned. Put yourself up on the hoist and make sure you get alignment by your favorite chiropractor. This is Dr. Mike Headlee at Explore Chiropractic, where we empower people to get healthy and stay healthy so you can live your best life possible. Have a great day.